Hello, this is Bilal Heather from TutorBees.net, and today I'm going to give tutorial on the new features that we have made in our chat system. So first of all, I'm going to log in from my Tutor account. So this is the dashboard of my Tutor account. Now I'm going to go in my inbox. Now the first feature I'm going to talk about is real-time chat, which means that tutors and students will be able to have a conversation in real time. And let's have an example of it. So this is the student. I'm going to click and you can see that the student is online, right? So I'm going to say, for example, hey, how are you? I'm going to send this message to my student, and you can see that my message has a double tick now, which means that the student has seen my message. And now let's see if the student is going to reply. As you can see, the student is typing, hey, I'm fine. You can see that all the conversation is happening in the real time. You don't need to refresh the screen. So the next feature I'm going to talk about is search messages feature. So if I'm going to click on this button of search messages, so for example, the student and the tutor have a long conversation, right? Months of conversation, and for example, if I'm a tutor, I'm unable to find the message I'm trying to find, right? So I just remember one or two words from the message. So for example, in my message that I'm trying to find has a word request. So all of the message that I've sent, or he or she has sent to me with the word request, will be visible on my screen. So I can find easily that message that I'm trying to find, right? So this is the second feature we have added in our chat system. So the next feature I'm going to talk about is about the attachment of files. So now you can send multiple files at one go. So if I go to attachment and select multiple files, for example, this picture and this document, for example, and these pictures as well, for example. So I'm going to click open, and now these are multiple files here. I will click on send, and you can see they have been sent. So now, for example, you have to delete all of them. So you can see there is a menu button, right? And there is this menu button. So if you want to delete all of the file, then you will click on this this menu button. And if you want to click one of the files, then you will click this menu button, right? So you can see that one of the file that I wanted to delete have been deleted, and if I want to delete all of them, then I will click the menu on top. So as you can see that the files have been deleted. So this was the third feature. So the next feature I'm going to talk about is the gallery for files, images, videos, and links. So we have added this button. When you click on it, the pictures or videos that have been shared between you and the student, and the document that you and your student have shared with each other, the links that you and your student have shared with each other, will be visible here. Just make sure that you can see this yellow statement that please note that all files are saved for 7 days. So make sure that whatever has been shared between you and the student or you have downloaded it. On the 8th day, it will be deleted. This is media document links feature that we have added in the chat system to improve the user interface and user experience. Okay, this is pretty much it. You can always send your feedback at admin@TutorBees.net. Thank you and take care.